And the method, the method. Method is very clearly described in the Buddhist teachings. First, knowledge from hearing. Hearing means from hearing from the teacher or reading from the books, whatever it may be. The second is contemplating, chintan. Shrutimai pragyan is the first one. That is borrowed knowledge, taught by teacher or read from books or hearing from the traditions, whatever it may be. There is a borrowed knowledge. And that borrowed knowledge shall have to be converted into one's own knowledge through examination, through analyzing. That is chintanmaya pragyan. And through that analyzation, you reach to a conclusion or the facts, knowing the facts. Then you shall have to be meditate on that. By meditation, then that conceptual mind will be converted into perceptual mind, direct knowing, direct seeing, and that is the Chintanmaya Pragyan. The Chintanmaya Pragyan is the real education. Then that is not borrowed knowledge, that is knowledge depend on brain, that knowledge appearing from, awaking from inner person, from the heart. So that kind of method we need to be understood. The teacher, the students, the parents, and the school administration, administrators, everybody have a sufficient knowledge of, sufficient knowing of this nature of education, purpose of education, and method of educating. Then they will capable of running a school or administering a kind of educational institution which may be beneficial to the entire younger generation, whosoever is getting that education.